Hello students, in this video we will do that what are carbon compounds, how they came into existence, how they are formed, what type of carbon compounds are there. So the compounds which are formed by carbon, hydrogen and oxygen are known as carbon compounds or organic compounds. Previously they were not synthesized because they were found in natural sources like animals and plants, and it was thought that they can be synthesized by nature only, and there is some mysterious force known as vital force which has the capability to form hydrocarbons. But later on, the artificial synthesis which lead to the formation of urea was just lead to the failure of this vital force theory. Okay, so urea was the first compound that was prepared in 1828 in the laboratory. Okay, so after that the search on hydrocarbons or the compounds of carbon, you can say, it just carried on, and then we came to know that no, we can prepare many of the carbon compounds in the laboratory also, and thus we get a complete big organic chemistry out of the carbon compounds. So the organic compound contains carbon and hydrogen and are known as hydrocarbons. The major source of hydrocarbon is coal and petroleum, and these hydrocarbons are basically of the two types, saturated and unsaturated. Saturated hydrocarbons means the hydrocarbons which contain carbon-carbon single bonds, and unsaturated hydrocarbons which contain carbon-carbon multiple bond. Now the saturated hydrocarbons are also known as paraffins and are also known as alkanes. The unsaturated hydrocarbons, depending on whether they have a double bond, are known as alkenes, and if they have a triple bond, they are known as alkynes. The general formula of alkanes is CnH2n plus 2, and that of alkenes is CnH2n, and alkynes is CnH2n minus 2, where n tells us the number of carbon atoms. Now let us do that how the structures of hydrocarbons are formed. For that, firstly let us take an example of a very simple hydrocarbon, that is ethane. Now ethane, as it is sounding with ane, so it is an alkane. So it has a general formula CnH2n plus 2, and ethane is the second member. So for this n is equals to 2, so it is C2H6. Okay, so what is the formula of ethane? C2H6. Okay, so now let us draw its structure. Now the drawing of hydrocarbon, it involves some steps. So what is the first step? This is join all the carbons by a single bond, and this is called the skeleton structure. As I have the formula of ethane as C2H6. So it has two carbons. So firstly I have to make single bond between the two carbons. Okay, then each carbon can form 4 bonds. 1 bond it has formed, so 3 more bonds it has to form. So those 3 bonds it will form with hydrogen atoms like this. So firstly you have to make this structure. Okay, this is known as the open chain structure. Okay, this is the skeleton structure. This is the open chain structure. Now after that we can draw the electron dot structure, which we have done in the previous video. Like I'm making you understand it again. Like this carbon, it has 4 electrons which I have written with a cross, and then each hydrogen has 1 electron which I have written with dot. Now the carbon will share its 4 electrons with other atoms, like 3 it has shared with 3 hydrogen atoms, and 1 it has shared with 1 carbon atom. So both of these carbon has shared 1 electron, so that's why there is a single bond between them. Because I have told you before that if there is a sharing of 1 electron pair, 1 electron pair का मतलब 2 electrons, okay, 1 electron इसका और 1 electron इसका, then there will be a formation of a single bond. Okay, and same is the case of this carbon. So in this way we can make the electron dot structure. Now let us try the next member of the alkanes, that is propane. Now for propane the n is 3. So if you put the n equals to 3 in the formula CnH2n plus 2, so it will be C3, 3 to the 6 plus 2, 8. So C3H8. Okay, now first the skeleton structure. draw the 3 carbon atoms with single bond between them. Now just cover or complete the 4 bonds for each carbon. Like this carbon previously has made only 1 bond, so 3 more. This carbon has made, this one, it has made 2 bonds, so 2 more. This carbon has made only 1 bond, so 3 more. Okay, and similarly you have to draw the electron dot structure also. Okay, so depending on the number of carbon atoms, different specific names have been given, which are as follows, and which we call as, like, this is the number of carbon atoms, these are the names assigned, and this is the word root. Okay, this myth, it, these are the word roots, and these are the molecular formulas, and these are the structures. For example, if number of carbon atom is 1, then its molecular formula, depending on the general formula, that is CnH2n plus 2. Here I have taken only that of alkanes. ये मैंने सिर्फ alkanes का लिया है अभी. So if N is 1, then it will be methane and C1H4. So CH4, and this is its structure. Second is 2, N is 2. So it is methane, ethane, and then N2, put N equals to 2 here. So it will be C2H6, and this will be its structure. Similarly is for N equals to 3, we have propane, and this is C3H8, and this is its open chain structure. Similarly, we have 4 and then butane. For 5 carbons, we have pentane, and for 6 carbons, we have hexane. And these are the molecular formulas which are on the basis of the formula CnH2n plus 2. Now, the structure of these 3, you students, please try it yourself. Okay, students, the next part of the chapter we will do in the next lecture. Thank you. Have a nice day.